Hi everyone, it's Kat from i3 Media Solutions, and I'd like to tell you more about how to make your website mobile friendly. One of the most important ways is through adjusting your navigation. Condensing it to fit on screen and adding drop-downs can help you keep it all organized while still being visible to mobile viewers. Just ensure that all the information and links will still show up for them. Next, check on your page sizes. Ensure that your mobile site pages fit average screens. You'll need to compress your images and other media to fit and also to help the page loading time. You can also ensure that your key information is still prevalent, and you may even want to condense some of your other content to make sure that it remains a priority even on smaller screens. For your font, make sure that the size is large and easy to read. Choose colors that appear well on your background and a clear font type to help mobile viewers. Responsiveness is how your site changes to suit different platforms. You'll want to make sure your website can detect and adjust itself to fit the different devices. Mobile friendliness is best when tested in practice, so adjust, check, and continue to perfect it.